No, online learners, we didn't forget about you.
Yes, you did.
Here we go. Okay, so um, yeah. Okay, so you don't have to memorize these. You just have to have them in your notes. They're very, very easy. We've talked about these before. The area of a square is side squared. The area of a rectangle is length times width. And dare I say you learned those in like sixth grade? Sixth grade?
No.
Sixth grade, yes.
How you gonna tell me?
I because I know your book, your curriculum that you had in grade school.
Yeah.
Go math.
No, that was the name of my book.
Mm, mm,
I hated that book.
mm. You were just saying, you don't know what I had. Yeah, I did.
And I thought you were telling me you were talking about Bill Math. Bill Math was the name of the book.
Exactly. PJ, you got it. Okay, so let's do one of each. What in the snap? Gee, thanks. Just what I wanted, a new version of Java.
Thanks to your cursive editing.
All right, let's say that that side was 6. The area would be 36. Well, that was easy. Let's say that the length was 10 and the width was 3. The area would be 30. Okay, so far so easy?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, I mean, we haven't talked about circle stuff, but you know, circle stuff?
Where's the circle at?
Well, not yet. We're still just dealing with polygons. Next shape, ready? Oh, okay. We're going to call this a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, so area of a parallelogram is base times height. It's almost the same thing as a rectangle. Close, right? Rectangles length times width, parallelograms base times height. The only thing you need to know is that the height has to be going straight up and down. Mm-hmm. Like if I said, hey, Kennedy, how tall are you? You wouldn't stand slanted for me to measure how tall you were. No. Parallelogram. Okay, so let's say the base was 8 and the height was 6. The area would be 48. All right, so far, so easy. You just multiply two numbers basically for all of those. Okay, the first one was 6 times 6, right? Side squared. All right, next, area of a triangle. But wait, I drew 3 different triangles because you're going to see a triangle 3 different ways. You're going to see sometimes where the height is part of the triangle. You're going to see sometimes where the height is inside the triangle. And you're going to see some of the time when the height is outside the triangle. They're all the same equation. 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height. Oh no, fractions scare me. Get over it. It's second semester. You've had time. You've had time to get over your fraction fear. Oh no, what shall I do? Okay. It doesn't matter where I put these two numbers, okay? I could have put them on the top triangle, the second triangle, or the third triangle. I'm just going to put them up top here. I'm going to say that the height was 8 and the base was 4. So the area would be 1/2 4 times 8. How do you do that, Mr. Blanchard? If you're using a calculator and you don't know how to use your fraction button, just turn a half into 0.5. So 0.5 times 4 times 8. If you want to do it 4 times 8 and then divide by 2, that's perfect also. If you want to do 4 times 8, which is 32, divided by 2, which is 16. Okay? So it doesn't matter which way you want to figure it out. I would mess around with the calculator and see which way you guys like best, okay? So if you want to use 0.5, go for it. If you want to use a half, way to go. If you want to do divided by 2, okay, I'm fine with that too. I don't know why that was out. Oh, I might have used that for pre-calc. Okay, but wait, you're thinking, that's the bottom of the slide. That's got to be it. Oh no, there's more. Area of a trapezoid. Now, we talked about this one and area of a kite. How about this? You guys just write down the good stuff right now, and then we'll do one of each. Okay? I don't want to confuse you too much by stopping in the middle. No, it's the same, actually. Good question. Yearbook pictures. Oh, Bitmoji. If I have a Bitmoji, can I email a Bitmoji? Right? I thought it was. um, oh, I have 16 texts. What's that? Okay, ready? So let's say that the height was an even number, 8. The base 1 was 4, and the base 2 was 10. Now this isn't a mid-segment thing, this is area, okay? So to find the area of this trapezoid, I'm going to do half of 8, and I'm going to put that in parentheses. And then in the other parenthesis, I'm going to do 4 plus 10. Okay? So half of 8 is 4, and 4 plus 10 is 14. And everybody knows that that's 56. How'd you like that, Kennedy? Scared about the fraction? Good. Shaking in her tennis shoes. I was going to say shaking in her boots, but she's not wearing boots. Okay, next, area of a kite. Yeah, she's shaking. Area of a kite is the same as the area of a rhombus. It's a 2-for-1 special. So all you have to do, D1 stands for diagonal, D2 stands for diagonal. I always choose diagonal 1 is the shortest diagonal, and diagonal 2 is the longest diagonal. Okay? So let's say,
Don't matter.
nope, because 6 times 8 is the same as 8 times 6. It don't matter. Okay, so let's do this one a little special. Are you ready? Let's do 3, 3, 7, 13. Okay, so 3, 3, 7, 13. And you're like, dang, there's 4 numbers there. How come you did 4 numbers? Because I want you to do a little extra thinking, like adding. Can you add? Yes, you can. Get out your calculator. Okay, diagonal 1 is 6, 3 plus 3. Diagonal 2 is 20, 7 plus 13. Oh, then the area would just be half of 6 times 20, which is going to be 30. How'd you like that? Not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so here, let me put a little box around this. Not really a box, but let me put a polygon around it. Okay, 1/2 D1, D2. It doesn't matter if it's a kite or a rhombus. It doesn't matter. I don't know. Oh, because I did it wrong? Because I was thinking that was 10. It's 120 divided by 2, which of course is 60. I was just checking to make sure that you guys are paying attention. Way to go. You passed the test. Way to go. Congratulations. Otherwise it would have been bad if you wouldn't have caught that mistake that I did on purpose. No, but you get extra credit for doing the homework that you're supposed to do yesterday. Didn't do that. Oh, Lancer. Okay, next, is there any other shapes? Have we covered all the shapes? Think about all the shapes that we've done. Remember that flow chart that we did? Kite, trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. We did rhombus, it's right there. We did kite also. They're the same. Oh. Hey, okay, so, oh, sorry. Looks like I decided last year to do the examples afterwards. Oh, okay. I need to show you this. You don't need to write this down. Is 12 the base of the triangle? Look, right here. No. This 12 is just an extra number. Sometimes the book's going to throw in extra numbers. This is the base. This is the height. We already did those. Question number 1 on Friday's quiz. I guess I should change that to Thursday's quiz. You should have that in your notes from yesterday. What was it? Kite, parallelogram, trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, square. Those are in your notes from yesterday. Okay, so it was kite, parallelogram, trap, isosceles trap, rectangle, rhombus, square. That's question number 1. Ready? Hike. This is like the 3rd question on the quiz. I need to double check that one. Okay. All right. So hang on, because I think that's 8 through 28, 32, 33, 35, 38. Okay, so now I'll write it on the board because then I want to write some helpful hints on the book. Tomorrow will be a worksheet. This will count as a double assignment. I think it should be easy points, okay? Especially after I go through it. All right, so here I go. So you don't even need Chrome me up. Mindy the Wonder Dog is shedding again. Where do I go to find our book? I go here. I go here. I go here. I go here. I scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Hey, look at that. I click there. I click there. And voila. That's French for there you go. Uh-oh. I went too far. Still went too far. Wait. Okay, here we go. This was page 376, obviously. I can't see it. Hang on, maybe I can. I just got to be real, like, I can't scroll that gently. Watch. Easy, easy. Okay, I guess that's the right page, isn't it? Yeah, okay. All right, so, oh, dang it. I want that all the way up at the top. One more. There we go. Are you ready? Here I go. This is a triangle. Wait, why is that up there? Can that go away? Anybody? I don't think that can go away. All right. This is a triangle. The area is 1/2 base times height. Okay? You get that? Number 9. Oh, it went away. Thank goodness. That's good. That makes me, ow, happy. Number 9 is, oh, it came back. Dang it. Number 9 is a square. It's 5 squared. 5 times 5. Number 10. What type of shape is number 10? It's got some parallel sides, but that's about it. What's it called? Parallelogram, para. And of course, you know that the area of a parallelogram is 9 times 5, base times height. What is it when it's a slanted square? What type of shape is that when it's a slanted square? Rhombus. This dude's a rhombus. And so it's 1/2 D1 times D2. What's D1? I'm going to go D1. What is D1? 8. What's D2? 10. Well, that was easy. Hey, let's go fly a kite. No, let's just do number 12. What shape is that? It's a kite. So it's 1/2 D1 times D2. Well, what's D1? Oh, there's a tie. D1 is 12. D2 is 12. That's weird. Okay, now for the weird one. Number 13. That's a weird looking shape. This dude is a trapezoid. So it's going to be 1/2 the height, base 1, which is small, oopsie, plus base 2. Okay? Any questions for that? Don't miss these recommendations on Netflix. Okay, so that should be a good start. Now, are there any shapes that you're not sure what they are? Let's scroll. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let's try this. There we go. Really? That's ridiculous. I can't do it. Let's see if I can do it with this. What the snap's going on? No, no, no.
You broke everything.
What just happened?
Oh, no.
Ugh. I'll know I'm on the right page when the numbers match up with the drawings.
It's on page 30.
I know, but I don't know what page I'm. Oh, oh, oh. I know I can't see it.
Turn to page 18.
Where do I have to go?
30.
It's going to mess up again. What do you mean 22?
Hey, the thing that's going up right now, 22 out of 48, 6 out of 48.
Oh, thank you.
You just hit 30.
Okay, here we go. But now, do you see what's going on here again? I'm going to click over here. Do that. Oh, click trash. That was bad. Okay. So now, that was dumb. Number 14 is a triangle, duh. Number 15 is a square, duh. Number 16 is a rectangle, duh. Number 17, what is 17? Parallelogram. Okay. Oh yeah, it won't let me. It's using Smart Ink, which isn't so smart, but I'll take it. Okay, so you shouldn't have any questions really on 14 through 16, right? Those are pretty easy, actually through 17. What's number 18? What's number 18? That's a slanted square, so it's a, it is a parallelogram again, but we thought it could have been a rhombus, right? But you only had the base and the height. So on number 18, you're just going to do 21 times 22, base times height. On number 19, which number is bogus for that triangle? Is it the 4, the 5, or the 7? The 7 is bogus. So on number 19, it's going to be 1/2 base, which is 5, times height, which is 4. Did you know you don't have to take half of the 5, right? You don't have to take that and say, I don't know what that is. You can just do 5 times 4, which is 20, divided by 2. Sometimes. And on number 17, you're just going to do 15 times 8, base times height. Oh, I can't. I got to go over here again, because otherwise I'll get frustrated one more time. Okay. Number 20, that's a trap. Number 21, that's a kite. Number 22, that's a trap. So you shouldn't struggle with those. Number 23, that's a parallelogram. You're just going to do 15 times 16. Number 24, that's a trapezoid. It's a trap. Number 25, that's a rhombus. Okay. Oh, sorry. I just want to stop at 25. I still want you to do the other ones, but for those, we're just going to go to 25. You don't have to do 26, 27, 28. Okay, and then jump down. The review stuff is 32, the 30s, okay? All right, I have to stop this so that I can save the video before my pre-calc students show up. So, online students, I say, good day.